Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of design and creativity. In today's video, we're delving into a concept that's reshaping the way we think about architecture and interior spaces: biophilic design. Visuals of natural elements. So what exactly is biophilic design? It's all about bringing the beauty of nature indoors. Picture yourself surrounded by lush greenery, the calming sound of flowing water, and the warm embrace of natural materials like wood and stone. Showcasing nature-inspired designs. Designers draw inspiration from nature's intricate patterns, integrating them into the very fabric of their creations. You'll find curvaceous lines that mimic the shapes of leaves, or the soothing rhythm of a gentle breeze echoed in the layout of a space.